Have you ever wondered what the fastest train in the world looks like? Are you wondering what the speed of the fastest train in the world is? If your answers to any of the above questions are yes, then this is the right video for you. In this video, you'll learn about the top 8 fastest trains in the world. Isn't that amazing? In this video, you'll also learn their maximum speed, the year it was designed, and the manufacturers. Without wasting much of your time, let's quickly dive into them. Coming in at number 8. The Talgo Avril HSR. The highest speed train is manufactured by Talgo. Avril stands for Alta Velocidad Rueda Independiente Ligero. It is the 8th fastest high-speed train in the world. It has a top speed of 380 kilometers per hour, which is around 240 miles per hour. The Talgo Avril is the company's most advanced train, and is also the best solution for railway operators with high-capacity demands. The Avril combines low energy consumption with super speeds and a high capacity for more than 600 passengers in a very lightweight single-deck train. Avril is almost the most efficient high-speed train in the world. Talgo has developed a technological platform to meet the future and current needs of the demand in the rail market. Next up at number 7, the Siemens Velero. This train comes from a family of high-speed electric multiple unit trains manufactured by Siemens. It is used in countries like France, Germany, United Kingdom, Belgium, and the Netherlands. It's the 7th fastest train in the world. The Velero is part of the Siemens ICE 3M/F high-speed family that is operated by Deutsche Bahn, or DB. Another interesting fact about this train is that Spain's national railway company, Renfe, ordered Velero trains, also known as Velero E, for its mass transportation network. The same versions were ordered by China for the Beijing-Tianjin high-speed railway. On July 2006, the Zilla Siemens Velero train reached 403.7 kilometers an hour, or 250.8 miles per hour, the world's record for the rail and commercial service trains. Even in 2022, the Siemens Velero train remains one of the top 8 fastest trains globally. China's Fujianhao train takes the number 6 spot. The CR400 AF-G train, dubbed the Fujianhao, can operate at speeds of up to 410 kilometers per hour, or up to 261 miles per hour, and in temperatures as low as -40 degrees Celsius. This train is part of the Fujing series, a collection of high-speed electric multiple unit trains developed and operated by the state-owned China State Railway Group. The train, rolled out on Beijing on January 6th, will run on a new high-speed line connecting the Chinese capital with northeastern destinations, including cities Shenyang and Harbin, the latter of which is famed for its annual snow and ice festival. The Fuzhing series, designed solely by China, harbors many features such as longer lifespan of up to 30 years. The revamped bullet train design reduces air resistance by 7.5% to 12.3%, and reduces energy consumption in every 100 kilometers by 17%. Technologically, Fujianhao series of trains are equipped with 2,500 sensors that help to drive automatically, smart lighting and air conditioning control, as well as unlimited free high-speed Wi-Fi. At spot number 5, we have the HEMU-430X train from South Korea. The HEMU-430X is a prototype high-speed train developed by South Korea. It has a top speed of 430 kilometers an hour, which is an equivalent of 267 miles per hour. On a global scale, South Korea is the 4th country to develop a high-speed train that could exceed 420 kilometers an hour, after Japan, France, and China. The project was led by the Korean Railroad Research Institution and Hyundai Rotem, which is part of the Hyundai Motor Group, along with 20 companies and 13 universities. The project budget was set at 97.11 billion won, which translates over to $80 million. For the HEMU-430X, researchers developed an aerodynamical optimized design that reduces traction by 40%. After its successful test phase, South Korea decided to design 2 other trains, the EMU-320 and the EMU-260, for commercial passenger transportation use. These 2 trains will mimic the design of the HEMU-430X. The interior will feature more legroom, wider armrests, USB ports, wireless charging pads, and entertainment display, similar to the in-flight entertainment system found on aircraft. The 4th fastest train in the world is the Shanghai Maglev. The Shanghai Maglev is the oldest commercial train still in operation. It was also the first commercial train with a speed of 431 kilometers an hour, which is 268 miles per hour. Utilizing electromagnetic levitation, the Shanghai Maglev train will take only 7 minutes and 30 seconds at full speed to cover a distance of 18.6 miles. How does an electromagnetic levitation train work, you might ask? In the maglev, superconducting magnets sustain a train above a U-shaped concrete guideway. Like ordinary magnets, these magnets repel one another when matching poles face each other. The magnets employed are superconducting, which means that when they are cooled to less than 450 degrees Fahrenheit, below zero, they can generate magnetic fields up to 10 times stronger than ordinary electromagnets, enough to suspend and propel a train. These magnetic fields interact with simple metallic loops set into the concrete walls of the maglev guideway. 3 types of loops are set into the guideway at specific intervals to do 3 important tasks. One creates a field that makes the train hover about 5 inches above the guideway. A second keeps the train stable horizontally. The third set of loops is a propulsion system. Here, both magnetic attraction and repulsion are used to move the train car along the guideway. Imagine the box with 4 magnets, one on each corner. The front corners have magnets with north poles facing out, and the back corners have magnets with south poles outward. Electrifying the propulsion loops generates magnetic fields that both pull the train forward from the front and push it forward from behind. Since there is no rolling friction, there is less wear and tear on the part. As a result, this makes operating and maintaining these trains much more economical than regular trains. The third fastest train in the world is the CRH-380A, Hishi. The Hishi is a high-speed electric train, manufactured and ordered by China. The original Hishi is an 8-car train set and had a recorded top speed of 416 kilometers an hour, which is 258.9 miles per hour, during its trial run. At the same time, the longer 16-car Hishi train set reached a maximum speed of 302 miles per hour. Many of the China's other high-speed trains involved foreign design and blueprints. However, the CRH-380A is the only series out of the 4 that is not based on any foreign design. However, there have been accusations that it is based on unlicensed Japanese Shinkansen technology. The CRH-38A utilizes a lightweight aluminum alloy body, whose total weight has adopted a large number of new vibration dampening materials. The train's natural frequency is optimized, which helps reduce structural vibrations at high speeds and improves ride comfort. At number 2 spot is the TGV POS train. The TGV is France's intercity high-speed rail service. The current world speed record for a commercial train on steel wheels is held by the French TGV POS train at 574.8 kilometers per hour, which is 357.2 miles per hour, achieved on April 3, 2007. The TGV POS train is just as luxurious as it is fast. First class on all TGVs has a spacious seat with armrests, power recline, power points for laptop and mobiles with European-style 2-pin socket, and if you need to make a private phone call, there's a small bench seat outside each main seating saloon. The second-class seat on board features the similar accommodations, but with less room. Along with free Wi-Fi, the TGV POS is an optimal choice for speedy traveling through France. Occupying the number 1 spot is Japan's L0 series Maglev. The L0 series is the fastest train in the world, with a top speed of 602 kilometers an hour, which is 374 miles per hour. The L0 series utilizes Japanese-designed SC Maglev system. The Maglev system is similar to the Shanghai Maglev train, which holds its place at the 4th fastest train. The train's head and cars are manufactured by Mitsubishi, also the manufacturers of the infamous Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution, featured in Too Fast, Too Furious. The train's nose shape has been optimized to reduce air resistance by approximately 13%, thereby lowering power consumption and outside noise. It will cover the journey between Nagoya and Tokyo Station, which is 350 miles apart, in just 40 minutes. The craziest fact about this beast is that it does not require a driver, but it does have a camera at the front of both end cars in order to allow for remote operation, in case the automated system fails. Well, that's our list. Hope you've been inspired to venture out one day and check out these speedsters for yourself. Thanks for watching!